Hi, my name is Brittany Todd, and I'll be going over the digestive system. What we'll be covering in this video are the key components, major functions, how it works, how it interacts with other systems, limitations, and novel and unique features. The key components to the digestive system are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Some of the major functions of the digestive system are, of course, the digestion of food, absorption and secretion of vitamins and nutrients, water absorption, and storage and elimination of waste. How the digestive system works is food or water is taken in by the mouth, and food is broken into smaller sized pieces, which are begin to be digested by saliva produced by the salivary glands. The food is then passed down the esophagus into the stomach, where the stomach has bile that's been produced, which breaks down the food further into a more liquid form to pass into the small intestine. Once into the small intestine, the nutrients are absorbed through the mucosa, and the liquid waste goes into the large intestine. The large intestine then absorbs the water out of the waste, and the rest of the waste continues to the rectum and anus, where it is then eliminated by the body in a bowel movement. A few different ways that the digestive system works with other systems is it works with the liver and kidneys, so the hepatic and renal systems to eliminate waste from the body, whether through urine or other matters. It shares the pharynx with the respiratory system, so choosing between food passage into the esophagus or air passage into the trachea, ensuring that we don't inhale our food. It also works with the nervous system and the sympathetic nervous system to ensure telling us whether or not we want to eat, not to eat, if we can digest or if our body doesn't want to digest, like in fight and flight circumstances. There's a few limitations to the digestive system. It has disease susceptibility, so different digestive diseases such as Crohn's disease, IBD, IBS, as well as it is easily affected by stress. So during more stressful times, it becomes harder for the body to digest food, and it can be more problematic even intaking or excreting waste. Some interesting facts or unique features of the digestive system is the average human produces almost 2 pints of saliva a day, as well as hiccups can be caused by a sudden change in temperature. And fun fact, platypuses don't actually have a stomach. Thank you. I hope this was informative and interesting for you.